Hello guys, with another video. Today we're gonna unboxing this fitness tracker. Let me see. Okay, let me adjust the. Okay, here you are, fitness tracker. Let's open this watch. Okay, right there. Nice box, as you see. Alright, and then there's a quick guide, because I'm gonna read it later on. These are all the information, as you can see it and read. Nice box, very safe way they put this watch here. Okay, what we're gonna do, there's a plastic cover. Yeah, there's a plastic cover. Of course, I'm gonna open that plastic cover. Maybe it might need to charge. Yeah, nothing works, of course. What we're gonna do, yeah, the band is good, nice, and also this is the, I think, a charger. Okay, magnetic. Okay, what you do, you just put on top like this, I think. You see, not holding, because there is a plastic here, it should be magnetic. That comes together like this. Then you put the USB port, or yeah, USB outlet, and then it's gonna start to charge. Yeah, it's all about this. This is the watch name is, what, once again, fitness tracker. So this is it. This is the unboxing. Another watch. I did previous videos, I showed another watches, but I think this is the better than others. This was that watch, as you see. Yeah, guys, okay, thank you for watching, and please subscribe, and see you soon with another video. Bye bye.